In this lesson, I'm going to show you how to use simple formulas to calculate sum totals, averages, minimum and maximum values using the AutoSum feature in Excel. Going back to our grading scheme here, our spreadsheet, remember that we had students on the side with their assignments across in columns, and I added total points, averages, lowest grade, and highest grade for each student. As a reminder, if I want to expand this column, I can move my mouse between the two columns and double click, and it will go to the largest entry there. So this AutoSum right here does a lot of work for you. So if you simply wanted to get the total points, I would highlight by selecting with the mouse each grade, and then I would just go right over here and hit AutoSum. It automatically added the total points. Now it could do the same thing if we go down here in the drop down menu. We have averages, count numbers, max, and minimum. So if I did the same thing and only highlighted the assignments, don't include the total this time, and this time if I use this down arrow next to the AutoSum, I can click on average, and it automatically gave me an average of 77 for Sally. Same thing, if I highlighted the grades, it will now automatically go right here to this lowest grade, and that one is called min, or minimum. And you can see that Sally's lowest grade was 67. Now I know this is a simple database here, or spreadsheet, but this could be grades going far beyond this page here. And so it would be very tedious to look at every grade to see what the lowest grade was. We're going to do it one more time. And this time we're looking for the highest grade. And that one happens to be max. If you click on max, you click on it, and you can see that Sally's grade, highest grade, is 88. Right there. Okay. Now, do we need to repeat that for every row? No. Quick shortcut would be to click on the first total points, and you'll notice that in the very bottom corner here is a handle. And if you turn it into a plus sign, you can double click and it will copy the formula down to every student. Same thing here. What if I highlight all of those at one time and did that? Every cell, if you noticed, that the location is E2. The formula bar shows that it equals sum of a range from B2 right here, all the way to D2. And if I click on the formula or answer below, notice that the range has changed to D3. B3 to D3. And, oh, escape that. If I click down here, it automatically knows to move down a row, but stay in the same column. D5 and D6. Same thing over here. It knows to do that. Later I'll show you how to lock a column and a row, because we may need that for a specific calculation. Thank you, and we'll see you for the next lesson.